Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have fold-out cup holders, as well as a 12-volt USB and USB-C. And then looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with a running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens here, hope you're not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Then above your screen, you have your camera view again. You have your hazards, hill descent assist, and traction control shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls here, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, and sport. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12 volt and USB and USB-C, and then you have this compartment here for more storage. Moving down, you have another 12 volt USB and USB-C, as well as this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.